Good morning. How are you doing today? Hello. I'm at my mommy. I'm telling you, I'm very happy when I'm at my mom. I'm relaxed. I feel like everything just exit out my body, all the stress, everything just exhale. The minute I got to my mom. Yeah. So this is my breakfast. This is ackee and saltfish. This is a Jamaican breakfast. That's callaloo. It's like spinach. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have that with bread today. With bread. I'm gonna have that with some bread. That's my mom in the background. You can't hear it from way over there. Now, this is what my morning is like at my mom. Do I look like happier to you? What do you guys think? Do I look happy? So this is ackee callaloo. I'm gonna eat it with some bread, and I think I'm going to make some coffee because my mom, I thought she would save me some curry gold. Oh my God, her mouth, you can hear her from way over here. Gotta love her. But you hear her? You guys can hear her? Can you hear her? I think I was washing this glass. Yeah. I'm gonna wash the dishes when I finish eating because I don't know what's up. You know? So I'm gonna wash these dishes. I think I put them in the dishwasher. This is my first time here. My mom just moved here. It's my first time here. I don't know where things are as yet. But I do know where the food is. Oh my God, sounds dirty. Clean up the kitchen from my mommy, and I just put the empty plates in the sink. Let's see. Let's get some juice. Yeah, guys. I didn't pour out all of it. Leave some for the owner. Whoever the owner is. We don't have four. I use a plastic cup. Wash the dishes when I finish. Let's do this. Oh, that plantain is so tempting. I got some plantain there. Where the fry some plantain. Where's the oil? Nice. Oh, I'm so happy, guys. Oh, I can eat, I can cook. Oh my God. I'm so free. Oh, no stress. No verbal abuse, no emotional abuse. just happy. I'm just happy. I'm just totally happy, guys. Totally happy. Trust me. So, you can eat this with fried dumplings or boiled dumplings with green banana, yam. They call them ground provisions like yams and even sweet potato you can eat it with. But like for breakfast, if you want it light, you make it in a sandwich. Yeah, sandwich. Ooh, I just dropped it. Yeah, so you just make it in a sandwich. Okay? So that's what I'm doing. I need to put back the bread. I'm gonna drink some. That don't look like water. That looks like somebody put something on it. So that's. So look at it, guys. This is my breakfast. Yeah. So you see, this is it now. So I'm just seeing it, and it's no meat in there. It's not even sausage. No sausage because my granddaughter likes callaloo, but she doesn't like sausage in there. So my mom don't cook the sausage for my granddaughter because she rarely likes anything and she loves callaloo. So we just don't put the sausage in there for her. And this was hers, and Grandma is taking some of it because Grandma is here. Yes. Happy. I'm gonna do all these dishes when I'm done. I probably have you guys watch me wash the dishes. Watch me wash the dishes. Yeah, but this is what it's like at my mom in the morning. So far, she usually make my breakfast, but this was already made, so all I had to do was make a sandwich. And I'm very thankful for this. I'm thankful for the Aki callaloo. Oh, yes, I'm thankful. I am so happy, so pleased, so thankful. So this is just my morning breakfast on New Year's Eve with my mommy. Yes, very thankful. I hope you all have a wonderful, a prosperous, a blissful new year. May all your goals be achieved. You can do it. Believe in yourself, don't give up. And remember, when others are mean to you or hurt you, it has nothing to do with you. It has to do with their soul, their spirit, and their answering to God. Okay? So, how they treat you has nothing to do with you. It's who they are. Okay? So, one love. Peace and love. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.